thank you so much for joining in. Guys, in this particular video of WordPress series, we will understand how you can add a FlipBox on your WordPress website, but without Elementor Pro. FlipBox is a widget which is usually provided in Elementor Pro version, which is of course a paid plugin. But if you want to use the same functionality without any paid plugin, then this video is right for you. So watch the video till the end and follow all the steps as it is. So in order to use this FlipBox for free, what we will do, we'll just click on plugins and click on add new plugin. Of course, since we are using Elementor as a page builder, so the second plugin which we will use is called as Royal Elementor, add-on. So just search for Royal Elementor add-on, and once you see this plugin, you need to simply activate this plugin. So install and activate. I have already activated this plugin, that's why it is showing active. Once you have activated it, just go to this left option that is called Royal Add-ons. Click on the Royal Add-ons option and make sure that you have all the widgets enabled here. So if it is off by default, make sure it is on, and of course the option will be updated automatically. Once it is updated, now come to your page on which you want to add the FlipBox. Let's say I'm on this page and I want to add a FlipBox here in the bottom so that I can show the information on the both side of the pages to my user. So for that, I will just scroll down and from here, FlipBox. Once I search for Flip, you can see there is an option called FlipBox, and you can see it is marked as R in blue color, which shows it is an add-on widget provided by Royal Elementor. So I'll just need to drag and drop like this. And now you can see that without Elementor Pro, I have now this FlipBox functionality, which I can use absolutely for free without any paid plugin. And how this works, as soon as I hover on it, you can see there are two things: front end content, and of course the back end content. So it works on the hover of the mouse. So this is front end and this is back end. Again, if I remove my mouse, this is front end and this is back end. So this is FlipBox. It means the once you take your mouse on it, it will flip and you can add the content on the both sides. And of course, there are few predefined styles available. So just click on this option and it will show you some predefined option in terms of block, like how you can use this FlipBox. Let's say, for example, I want to use in this way. So I'll just preview it here. If I see, you can see that it is kind of a gallery in terms of grid format, and as soon as I hover on any of the section, the content changes and the box changes, because the feature here used is called FlipBox. So in the front side the image is shown, in the back side there is some kind of other text. So let's say I want to use it, so I'll just click on insert. So once I click on inserted, now you can see just below the widget it is now inserted, and now all I need to do is to change the content. So I'll just click on this pencil icon, and here then you can see the icon. That icon type is icon, right? You can change it to image. Then there is there is no icon selected. Now the main title is Ocean Life, so you can customize it. You can say front content as of now, right? And of course description you can change from here. You can change the description from here. Now if I scroll down, there is a setting called trigger. When this will be triggered, of course, on hover, and if you want to change it, you can say on box or button. Button will be in the pro version, so not needed. Then back content, of course, you can change the back content. What content you will require on the back side, that is backend content, description, any image, any icon you want to add. And then again, link type, if you want to add any kind of link in this particular box, you can do that. Setting option in terms of you get more option to customize the height, border radius, animation duration, animation timing. These are the options that you get. And of course, this particular section is made of background images. So these three background images are there in three different boxes, and that's how you can change it. You can change the color, you can change the background, gradient, normal, image resolution, full, image position, center. There are multiple other options that you can play around, but that's how you can add a FlipBox in your WordPress website using Elementor free version and no paid plugin required. So guys, that's it for this video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice